Tanner Demmery of Demmery Law, PLLC, is a former sexual battery unit prosecutor who has significant experience prosecuting and defending sex crimes through jury trial. Here at Demmery Law, we understand the serious nature of these crimes. Today, Demmery Law is diving into a serious topic: the penalties for child pornography in Florida. Tanner Demmery has created this video to provide information regarding child pornography charges in Florida. This is an issue that affects many lives and has life-changing consequences. Now, this might not be the easiest subject to digest, but it's important to understand the gravity of these laws and the severe consequences that come with them. First off, under Florida law, possessing child pornography is a felony. This means that even the mere possession of such material is treated with utmost seriousness. Having just 10 or more images can land you with a second-degree felony. This isn't just a slap on the wrist, it's a major criminal offense. That means up to 15 years in prison. If the content includes particularly egregious material like images of children under 5 or involving sadomasochistic abuse, the offense can be reclassified to an even higher degree felony. This reflects the heightened severity of such acts. We're talking about even harsher penalties here. The law aims to address the most heinous forms of exploitation with the strictest measures, but it's not just possession that's heavily penalized. The law also targets the distribution and transmission of such material. Transmission of child pornography, whether within the state or across state lines, is also a felony. A person who knowingly transmits child pornography can be charged with a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Transmission of pornography by electronic device or equipment is prohibited. If the transmission involves multiple images or particularly severe content, the penalties can be more severe. In addition to prison sentences, individuals convicted of child pornography offenses may face other consequences such as sex offender registration, probation, and fines. For example, a person convicted of possession of child pornography may be sentenced to probation and required to comply with various conditions, including regular reporting to a probation officer and restrictions on internet use. Overall, Florida law imposes stringent penalties on those convicted of child pornography offenses, reflecting the state's commitment to protecting children from exploitation and abuse. At Demmery Law, we understand that the circumstances are not always what they seem. We understand that being wrongfully accused of child pornography charges can be devastating. You may lose your job and everyone you know may turn against you. You may feel like you have no one to turn to. Tanner Demmery understands the gravity of these charges and offers compassionate representation. Because Tanner Demmery is a former prosecutor in the Sexual Battery Special Unit in Broward County, Florida, he is specifically skilled at representing potential clients in this area of law in South Florida. Please direct any questions you may have to Tanner Demmery of Demmery Law, PLLC at 954-224-0577. Stay safe out there.